Hello everyone, welcome back to my DIY art channel. Today I will be painting some flowers with watercolors. Let's start. Here I have an outline of the flowers. Now I am going to paint with watercolors. Apply little amount of water. Use blue and green color for the background. You can use any light color of your choice for the background. Now start painting the flowers. For 3D effect, use black color. If you like our content, then don't forget to subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon for new notifications. If you have any suggestion, then write it in comment box below. Paint few flowers with orange color so that the painting will look colorful. So my painting is done. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Like, share and subscribe and press the bell icon. Thanks for watching.